Hi everybody and welcome to this week's episode of Soul Fitness TV. My name is Whitney and this is my amazing husband, Jose.
Hey, ¿qué es lo que hay, mi gente? Yo te sabe que lo que se mueve, Timo.
So in this week's episode, we're sharing with you another HIIT workout. It's going to be 4 exercises. You're going to do 5 rounds or as many rounds as you can do. You'll be burning.
Esta semana vamos a hacer 5 ejercicios que van a estar bien heavy, bien chévere. Así que, ¿son 4?
Sí.
Where's the camera? Oh, yeah. What the hell I'm looking at? Yeah. Where's the camera? I'm looking away. What?
So we hope that you enjoy this workout. If you give it a shot, leave us a comment below and let us know how you did. As we like to say, we encourage you to be strong inside and out.
Sé fuerte por dentro y por fuera. Que Dios te bendiga mucho.
All right, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Ya te sabes, cuídate.